team is more than a collection of people. It is a process of give and take. If you can laugh together, you can work together. Great things in business are never done by one person. They are done by a team of people. Getting good players is easy. Getting them to play together is the hard part. Build for your team a feeling of oneness, of dependence on one another, and of strength to be derived by unity. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. There is no such thing as a self-made man. You will reach your goals only with the help of others. When a team outgrows individual performance and learns team confidence, excellence becomes a reality. The nice thing about teamwork is that you always have others on your side. Many hands make light work. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. It is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed. A successful team is a group of many hands, but of one mind. The strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is the team. The whole is greater than the sum of the parts. No matter how brilliant your mind or strategy, if you are playing a solo game, you'll always lose out to a team. Find a group of people who challenge and inspire you. Spend a lot of time with them, and it will change your life. Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. It takes 2 flints to make a fire. None of us, including me, ever do great things. But we can all do small things with great love, and together we can do something wonderful.